Okay, so we are going to learn a new sound today, and that is our ch sound. We use this sound when we're talking about things like cheese, chair, picture. So we are going to practice together, and by the end of this video, I hope you feel confident enough to practice this on your own. Let's dive in. To make the ch sound, your lips are going to come together and your tongue is going to stay behind your teeth, and then we are just going to pop that air right through. So try it out. Ch. 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 So let's get there. First, let's make our tick-tock sound. T, 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 t. Now, let's practice our quiet sound. Shh. Can we put them together? T, sh, t, sh, tsh, ch, 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 ch. You got it. Now we are going to practice this sound. I'll go first, and then I want you to try it at home. Cheese. Chicken. Chips. All right, now we're gonna add that sound to the ends of our words. Remember, practice it after me. Peach. Teach. Match. Catch. Watch. I'm going to say a word and you get to decide if it has our ch sound or not. Ready? Chair. Does that have our sound? Yeah, it does. It does have that sound. All right, here's our next one. Bear. Does that have our sound? No, you're right. That doesn't have our sound. That started with the B sound, and we wanted our ch sound. Okay, here's another one. Lunch. Yeah, that had our sound. And now for our next one. Lash. Lash. Did you hear our sound? No, we heard our sh sound, right? We need it to pop. So instead of lash, we added in our sound, it would sound like latch versus lash. If you've gotten this far and you're ready to practice some sentences, here we go. Repeat after me. Charlie loves chips. The chair is blue. All right, here's the last one. Ready? This peach is sweet. Great job. I love how hard you're practicing right now. You did awesome today. I know that this sound can be a little tricky, but thanks for hanging out with me. If you ever want a little refresher, come on back and we can practice again. See you next time.